How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to reset your iPhone. So imagine you're going to buy a new iPhone or you're going to sell your current iPhone. You are going to want to delete everything that's on it so that the person you give it to starts from a blank iPhone, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings. Mine is right here, but you can also find it if you swipe down from the middle of your screen like so. Type in settings, click right here, and we're going to scroll down right here where it says general. Hit that. We're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and as you can see, it says right there, it's almost the last one, says transfer or reset your iPhone. Click on that. Okay, so we're gonna go through all these settings. So for example, on the top it says prepare the new iPhone. Make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone, even if you don't currently have an iCloud storage to back up. Okay, so if we hit the get started button, okay, let's see what it says here. Prepare your new iPhone. Make sure everything's ready when your new iPhone arrives. Get ready to move your apps and data. Automatically keep your iCloud backup up to date so you'll be ready to move to your new iPhone. Check trading status. Earn money by recycling your iPhone. Good for you and good for the planet. So you can hit not now or get started. If I click the get started button, okay, we get another prompt. It says move the data for all your apps. You have enough iCloud storage to move the data for all apps on this iPhone. Do you want to move the data for any apps that have not been using iCloud? So first of all, it says that I do have enough storage in iCloud, which is something you have to make sure you do. Usually when you buy a new iPhone and you get your iCloud account, it comes with a several amount of gigabytes. It's not that much, but you can add extra. You can purchase more gigabytes from the iTunes store. Okay, so what happens if I click the move all app data with iCloud? Okay, if I click there, okay, says you'll be ready for your new iPhone. Okay, that's it for now. Your iPhone is using iCloud. Okay, uploading app and data to it. Okay, so it's gonna upload all the apps and like that. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna go back again. Let's go transfer or reset. Okay, so let's test out the reset button. What happens if I hit the reset button? It gives us this options. It says reset all settings, reset network settings, keyboard dictionary, home screen layout, and location and privacy. Okay, if we reset all settings like so, it's gonna ask for our passcode. I'm not gonna type in my passcode right now because it's going to start to erase my iPhone, but just wanted to let you know. And that's going to happen. I'm gonna hit reset again. If I hit any of the other options, if I hit like reset network settings, it's also going to ask for my passcode. Okay, I'm gonna hit cancel. Okay, I hit reset again. So basically, and again, if starting from the top, if we reset all the settings, it's gonna reset every option I have selected. And on the second one, if I only reset network settings, it's just gonna do that, just the network settings that I have selected. And then keyboard dictionary, same, home screen layout, and location and privacy. You can pick the one that you want. I'm gonna hit cancel for now. Now, the last button, okay, if we hit that, this is the one you want to do. You want to click, and if you want to trade in your iPhone, if you, for example, purchased a new iPhone and you're going to sell the current one to somebody else or give it away, you want to make sure, like we said at the beginning, that you don't have any of your information in there. And you also want to be signed out of your iCloud account. So the person receiving the iPhone is getting a fresh iPhone with none of your information on it. So as you can see, it says erase this iPhone. Erasing will sign out of your Apple ID and remove your personal data, so this iPhone can be safely traded or given away. The following items will be safely removed from this iPhone: all your apps and data, your Apple ID will be signed out, find my iPhone, and of course Apple Wallet. Okay, I'm not gonna hit continue now, but basically if you hit continue, it's just gonna take you through the steps so that this happens. Just make sure that you have your iPhone backed up and you're good to go. Okay, I'm gonna hit not now, and I'm gonna hit back. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please stay tuned for other videos, and please like and subscribe. Cheers.